Hello everyone, I'm here to do my step-by-step thing. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build a knife in a township tale. Alright, so first, you are going to need to make a pickaxe. So how do you make a pickaxe, you may ask? You take a stick, and you take a piece of flint, and a pickaxe. Alright, next, I'm just going to see what's in here. Nice. Alright, next, what you're going to need to do is see if you can get any good items. And if I can't, I'm going to have to go. Alright, these are chickens. They give you food. Okay, these are already good weapons, and I want to start by going to the mines and collecting some materials. Here I go. Oh, wow, that was fast. All right, we're going to need a pickaxe. No need for this anymore. Bye. All right, what you do is you need to mine this stuff. Bah. Bah. Yeah. There we go. Now, because we have this, I want to put 2 of these into my inventory. Grab all this and go woo, 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 woo. Gather all the coal. Woo. You already said how to make a bow. I mean, like, seriously, people. Oh, that's my wood. No, I want. I don't think anyone plays this game, but. So, yeah. Yeah, same. Like, I don't know how to turn on voice chat for me, so yeah. Cans. Knife. Okay, and then make sure you loot all the chests. No, I don't like doing that. I'm not a criminal. I have all the materials I need. Alright, let's hear. Yeah, this is a brand new server. This will be helpful. If it works. We might have a dual stone knife. And what do you know? We can use this for gambling. And this for some. Found a dice. I have not enough room for it. Nor this. I don't have enough room for this either. Oh, never mind. It just goes in. Okay. I found some gambling stuff. If you want to hold this for me, please. If the thing will attach on this, we'll have a spear. So Andy, here, take this. Gambling. Yeah, I have enough stuff. I have enough stuff. Don't worry. All right, I'll meet you guys at the blacksmith. All right, I'm here. And there we go. It's starting to build. And the bridge is completed, or the staircase up to the blacksmith. Welcome to the blacksmith. And this is where we're going to start. Yeah, I got coal. Pretty sure sometimes it starts off with some coal. Alright, already we have a ton of stuff here, like these sticks, all this stuff, like actually, come on, yeah. Alright, this is what we were looking for. This is a knife. We're not going to use that yet because we're going to have to build something with that. But before we can do anything, we're going to have to take our coal and throw it into here. 30 pieces of coal. Oh wait, I think I have some more coal. 36 pieces of coal. Alright, now what you do is you take this and put in all the materials you need and go like this. It'll start smelting and you'll see it start activating. Grab this and start pumping your way. So you can blow torch everything. Also, I am going to make a really nice pickaxe to start. Yeah? Yeah, I know. I don't know. I bet there's something good going to be in them. So, I'm going to put my... This is just really cheap and really, like, bad materials of items. But, I mean, like, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Alright, so we have this all working. I'm going to have to blow torch it a little bit. Make the process a little bit faster. Yeah, so... This is what I meant by a furnace. Okay. Alright, is it done? How much more is it smelting? I'm just gonna... Bro, you mine so much. It's gonna take us hours. Alright, that's mine. Don't touch that. That's mine. Give it back. Give it back. That's mine. That's mine. Alright, Alright. I'm gonna dispense your stuff right there, Serenity. So I can start with the rest of my tutorial. I want to start with the rest of my tutorial, so I took your stuff out. Alright, next, you're gonna need a hammer. So we're gonna place that in there. And place all the ingots. We'll have one extra ingot. Put that up in there, and as you can see, it starts up. Start pushing this down. I don't know, do we have a correct stick for a hammer? We might not. Too bad. Oh. I'll get it. It's mine. That's mine. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna steal a little bit more of your... I need to steal some... Oh. Dispense that. And then you get one extra. I need one more piece here. What? Yeah, we don't have the thing. Alright, this should come out perfect. Hello? Oh. Hello? Yeah, it just comes right out of the wall. Yeah, you should... It should be... I feel like this should be smelting. There we go. It's starting to smell. There we go. Alright, there we go. That can go in there. And then I should get 2 of these. Alright, we have enough now for this. This is going to be our blade of our knife. So next, once you get the blue mold for it, you throw that in there and put that in there, and you can see it's starting to smell. Bam, done. Push that down there. yeah, got those extra pieces. And then in here, we have this. This is our blade for our knife. All right, next, you go over here, very important part. Put that in the fire. And then grab, here, my, oh, well, we could have just used that, but I mean, like, it's a tutorial. Alright, so, yeah. Okay, anyways, so this is our stuff here. We have this, it will cool down eventually, but I'm lazy. Here we go. This is the blade to your knife. But you may be thinking, what's the point of a blade for a knife if you don't have the stick? This is just test in progress, so boom. I present to you a knife. A copper knife. I mean, like, don't use a handle like this on an actual copper knife. Waste of materials, I'm saying. And then, just for extra, I will do this one because some people might be wanting me to. So this is our final bit. Grab your hammer and smack. Done. Easy as that. I want to put this in the water. Oh wait, I don't think it's done yet. No, this is not done yet. I don't think this is done yet. I don't think that's done yet. There we go. Now, this is... What did you do this time? Put that in there. We have another perfect blade. This time it's iron. And I don't think we can't dual wield this, sadly. We could put it on there, but I'm not wasting materials. So we're gonna make a scythe. I think. Yes, this will work as a scythe. It looks more like a hoe. You could like, zhush, 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 zhush. That's it for my tutorial to how to make stuff in this cool game. Thank you for watching. Wait, let me just put the rest of this material in real quick. Okay. Goodbye for now.